After a long day of adventure, nothing feels better than slipping into comfortable, lightweight shoes that give your feet a break. Introducing the Packham's Packable shoes, the perfect solution, designed for skiers, snowboarders, hikers, campers, and travelers who want instant comfort on the go. These lightweight insulated shoes feature a cushioned insole, an easy slip-on design, and a soft upper for packability. Waterproof and warm, they keep your feet dry in wet or snowy conditions. The built-in storage pocket lets you carry small essentials, while the draw-cord heel makes them easy to pack together. Each pair comes with a tote bag, making them the ultimate travel companion for any adventure. Ditch the bulky tent and experience ultimate comfort with a hammock designed for adventurers who seek a lightweight, functional, and durable sleep solution. The Back Pocket Adventurer's hammock is built for backpackers, hikers, and travelers, featuring a pillow pocket, a sleeping pad sleeve, and a full head-to-toe zip-in closure to protect against bugs, wind, and morning dew. The sleeping pad sleeve provides extra insulation, preventing cold drafts while you sleep. Its removable, adjustable pillow pocket allows you to customize your comfort on the go. Designed with minimalist efficiency, this hammock eliminates the need for a tent, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor expedition. Every outdoor adventure demands a backpack that keeps gear organized, accessible, and secure for a seamless hiking experience. The Trail Eagle backpack is designed by adventurers for adventurers, making every trip easier, more enjoyable, and efficient. Featuring a patent-pending fold-out system, it provides instant access to all your gear, eliminating the hassle of rummaging through a top-loading pack. Its layered storage compartments prevent gear from shifting, while the water-resistant polyester and YKK zippers ensure unmatched durability. The expandable 75-liter capacity, water bladder pocket, and internal frame design provide structure, stability, and hydration compatibility. With detachable stuff sacks and 4-color options, Trail Eagle is built for every adventure. A comfortable and adaptable sleeping solution is essential for outdoor adventures, ensuring restful sleep in any condition. Introducing the iLism Unique Sleeping Bag, a 2-in-1 ultralight and compact design that adapts to a wide range of temperatures. Featuring 2 layers, it can be separated for 2-person use in warm weather or combined for a single person in colder conditions. A second bag can be conveniently stored in the pillow section, making it easy to switch between configurations. The 2-sheet system allows for a customizable temperature experience, ensuring warmth and comfort. Lightweight, space-saving, and versatile, this sleeping bag is the perfect companion for any camping trip. A reliable and eco-friendly ignition source is essential for everyday use, eliminating the wastefulness of traditional lighters. Meet the Elipyro Lighter, a USB-C compatible, windproof, and versatile device designed for effortless ignition anytime, anywhere. Utilizing a heating coil and advanced windproof technology, it provides a consistent, moisture-resistant flame without relying on fuel. Simply plug it into any USB-C port, whether a tablet, laptop, smartphone, or power bank, and enjoy instant ignition. The heated tobacco-compatible design ensures smooth functionality, while its compact, everyday carry form makes it a must-have tool. Durable, efficient, and environmentally friendly, Elipyro is the future of modern lighters.